the Nobel laureate Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan Garu, and the noble personalities on the dais, a friend, philosopher and guide for the science movement in India, Dr. P.M. Bhargava, and a social scientist and a guide to the movement in Andhra Pradesh and also in India, Sri K.R. Venugopal Garu, and one of the great leaders of Indian science today, who is leading the premier research institute in India, that is none other than Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Dr. C.H. Mohan Rao Garu, who is happened to be our honorary president and guiding us in each and every activity, Dr. Mohan Rao Garu, and our good friend and former president of Jana Vijnana Vedika, professor of chemistry at National Institute of Technology, Warangal, and Dean Professor Ramchandra Garu, my colleagues in Jana Vijnana Vedika, Professor B.N. Reddy, Professor Krishnarajan Naidu Garu, and the guests of the dais, and scientists and young children who have come to this particular program. To all of you, on behalf of Jana Vijnana Vedika, I extend a warm welcome to you, and I wish your participation will go a long way in the science movement and also building national science in this country. I would like to tell a few words with regard to the Jana Vijnana Vedika. Jana Vijnana Vedika is an organization dedicated to popularize and inculcate scientific temper among people and to take fruits of science to the common people. Since last 25 years, Jana Vijnana Vedika is tirelessly working in this particular direction. We have 50,000 active members in this organization, starting from our great luminaries like Dr. Bhargava, Dr. Mohan Rao, Dr. Venugopal, and to the common man like a milk vendor in the villages. So we have got a great diversity of membership in this organization. That is our strength. Our organization has played a pivotal role in bringing this total literacy in this particular state, called Saksharata Ujamam, and later on which has ignited an anti-Arak movement in the state and which has led to the ban of the Arak in this particular state. Not only that, Jana Vijnana Vedika is working on several fronts like health, where we have concentrated on the rational policies of drugs and spurious drugs and unnecessary drugs, all sorts of things. Probably you might have read today's article that have come in newspapers that our Nobel laureate Dr. Venkatraman has pointed out that you should not take the antibiotics without the prescription. So in that direction, Jana Vijnana Vedika is working a lot. We have pointed out several banned and bannable drugs which are not to be used. Not only that, on women front, on the falling sex ratio, and also the education, how children have to be educated, particularly the women children, our Samta group is working on that particular aspect. Another important aspect that Jana Vijnana Vedika is working is education. On education, we are instrumental in developing the curriculum from the primary level, even now up to the level of the graduation also. Professor Naidu is here. He would enlighten what we are making a small intervention in developing the strength of the science teachers on activity-based education and so on. We are also bringing out exclusively for children a science monthly magazine exclusively in science, which brings out only science, and through this we are trying to inculcate scientific temper among children. So this is called Chekumuki. In the name of Chekumuki, we do also conduct an annual Chekumuki talent test throughout the state. This year we have conducted to 8 lakh students from about 13,000 schools. And this particular test we conduct from the school level to that of the state level. That is one of the regular activities of Jana Vijnana Vedika. Not only that, on cold drinks, soft drinks, so which are waste drinks which are need not be taken by anybody because they are not going to in any way to help the health. So that is how on various aspects on contemporary issues, starting with that of the cold drinks to several aspects or junk foods, we are making all our propaganda, and also to make rationally think about the things that in day-to-day life, how we have to be more rational, more scientific, so that we can lead this particular society into a scientific society. So these are some of the activities briefly. I do not want to take much of your time. With this brief introduction of Jana Vijnana Vedika,